In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the TNT color stamp. It's pretty straightforward. This is our fixed design. We also have a grid design, but it may be a bit difficult to get all the lettering on the 8x8 grid. I do have a 16x16 grid that I'll be trialing, so I'll let you know how that goes in the comments. So I'll be using 3 colors. We have white, which we'll be using as our base color. We have black for the text, and then we have red for the top and bottom of the design. First things first, we'll come through and we will dust with cornflour. Knock off any excess. We'll start with the black text. So I'll take a ball of icing, sort of roll it into a sausage, and then place it just over the top of the text. Then I will grab my scraping tool, press down and pull to my right. I'll turn it around and do the same thing on the other side. Go over it a couple more times just to make sure that it is sitting level. And then we'll come back through and remove any excess icing we don't want. Okay, you may notice some of the icing trying to escape. That's fine, you can just push it back in with the edge of your scraper. Okay, dokes. Now we'll just go through and make sure we've removed all the black. There may be some residue sort of on the edges of these lines here. Sort of want to tidy that up just so it doesn't transfer over when we stamp it. There will be some transfer because black is a bit of a pain to work with sometimes, but the cleaner it is, the better it's going to look. It just depends how pedantic you want to be. I'm happy with this. Okay, so now we're going to take our red. We're just going to color in the top and the bottom. Same idea as the text. We're just going to take a bit of a sausage, place it over the top, squish it out a little bit, and then we'll come over with our scraper and there we have it. I'm going to go back over a couple times, just make sure it's level. And we will just tidy up the edges. It's not super important with this design because the cutting edge is right on that line. Other designs, it would affect the outer edge of your stamp if it does transfer through. Okay, so that's the top done, and we'll do the same on the bottom. Okie doke, so that's all coloured in. We're going to roll out our base icing. So we're going to knead the icing until it is sticky. Then we're going to dust the bench with corn flour. Place our base icing in the middle. Then we're going to roll the icing out to about 3 millimeters high. I like to lift the icing back up and just give it another dusting on the bottom because I don't want it sticking. Okay, then we take our stamp, place the icing side down. Then we're just going to apply some firm pressure over the top. Then we lift our stamp up. Sweet. As you can see, I've kind of overfilled at the red areas and it sort of oozed out a bit on the edges. Most of our other designs, this would be a problem, but for this design, it's not gonna hurt us too much. So we're just gonna quickly dust over this, get rid of any excess cornstarch, corn flour that might be there. And we'll take our cutter, gently place it over the top of the design. Then we want to push the edges in so that all the edges are inside the design. It doesn't have to be square at this stage. We just want everything inside, which it is. And then we're going to pull the corners out and the edges and sort of line it up with the inside of our cookie cutter. And once you're happy with how that's looking, just press down. And there we have it, TNT.